and the clouds flow in. That's going to be the big weather story today. And because of the clouds, it's going to be cooler as we go throughout the course of the week. We're not talking about temperatures that are going to be in the 80s over this next 7-day stretch. We've got a big cool down on the way, and you are looking at the culprit there. It is an area of low pressure that is slowly moving in, and look at what it's bringing in with it. Along with the clouds, it looks like the possibility of some rain as well as we head toward the middle and end of the week. So that is definitely what we'll be watching out for as we get into Wednesday and even into Thursday, the possibility for some rain. And of course, when you get rain, you're looking at cooler temperatures. So that is going to be our weather story this week. Talking about what we're doing temperature-wise right now, and we are looking at lots of 40s. Got 48 degrees right now for the folks in downtown LA, 44 in Ontario and Riverside. San Bernardino, current temperature 42 degrees. So lots of 40s out there comparing where we are right now to 24 hours ago. And folks are cooler. This is because of the clouds that are streaming in with this area of low pressure. For instance, in Ontario, you are 6 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago, and lots of -4s there. Fullerton, Santa Ana, cooler by 4 degrees as well. 7-day forecast coming at you, and you can see lots of clouds there. We're going to throw in the opportunity for rain, at least light rain, as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. Beaches today looking at 66 degrees, LA and Orange 71, Valley's looking at upper 70s. Lots of folks will see those temperatures slip as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday for sure. For instance, the Inland Empire today looking at a high around 77 degrees, but in the low 70s by the end of the week. That is a look at the 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.